Hey guys, I'm making a little video here to help provide a little clarification on this week's challenge. So if you see here, I have set up the physical challenge if you're working with the EV3 kit. So if you go to the slideshow and you print out base, trim out the black edges, tape the two pieces of paper together, and then you can take duct tape, masking tape, any kind of tape, and just tape around the edges to a floor. I'm on carpet here, but I'd recommend using some kind of hard floor instead. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna line your robot up anywhere in base. So you can start it anywhere, but we're gonna consider base from edge to edge of whatever tape you're using. However, I encourage you to find a repeatable spot that you can use over and over again and maybe make some kind of lineup jig so you start from the exact same spot every time. So here is the challenge task. So you're going to take your robot. The first step is to drive out towards the first sticky note right here. So you're going to mark that down. That's 2 feet from the front of base, which is the edge of the red tape. Then when you get to the first sticky note, you need to turn your robot to face the second sticky note and where the eraser is. Then you can drive your robot forward, and this little mechanism that Cam came up with captures the eraser, and then you can go back to base any way you want to. So you can go back the way you came, or you can curve back and drive really back. But this doesn't count as all the way in base. You have to make sure every part of your robot is within the red tape. So this counts, this counts, this counts, but this doesn't count because your back end is sticking out of base. So you have to just make sure your robot can fit in your red rectangle by the end. I'm going to be covering this in the virtual robotics toolkit next, but if you're using the physical kit, this is how the challenge should be set up. I hope that helps, and I'm really excited to see the kind of cool mechanisms you guys come up with to collect the eraser. Thanks.